Q4 is coming, and this can be very worse for people that hate winning. Yes, if you hate winning, Q4 can be very worse for you. Look at this. So in 2017, we did 215%, 168, 5, a small one, 56, 47. So overall, Q4 is very good for the crypto market, and it is coming for us for altcoin season, guys. Yes, altcoin season is around the corner. Even if you think right now that it is potentially not, it is coming for us because it didn't happen yet. It must be a moment that it come back, right? So first of all, Bitcoin dominance. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and it shows us how dominant is the market cap of Bitcoin compared to the altcoins. When it goes down, it means altcoin season. When it goes up, it means Bitcoin season. This was the whole Bitcoin season here. Altcoin season, Bitcoin season, altcoin season. It will come. It can also be going up a little bit more and then goes down. But overall, we are close because it makes sense that we not go to 100% or 90% anymore. It makes sense that the percentage of the Bitcoin dominance is around lower level than before because there are more new projects. Of course, it makes sense for us. So it is around the corner. This is not the only chart. There's another one. ETH BTC. This chart shows us the power of ETH compared to Bitcoin or vice versa. So when it goes up, it means that we are in an Ethereum season, which means Ethereum is outperforming the market compared to Bitcoin, which is good for altcoins. And we can see that we did a Bitcoin season here. ETH was underperforming. And now it makes sense for ETH taking over the show since we reached this purple box here. It was the bottom also of the 2019, and then Ethereum starting to roll out. So also this is the second indicator showing us that altcoin season is around the corner. Then we have the USDT dominance. And before I tell you more about USDT dominance, I want to tell you two things. First one is we have reached 10,000 subscribers on the Crypto June channel, so it will be amazing if you can like and subscribe to the Crypto June channel. Let's grow the channel. Let's be one big group of like-minded people searching for the next gems, making gains in crypto. The second thing is I get a lot of questions about people asking, hey, do you have a private group? I don't have it yet, but I'm thinking about setting it up, so I want to hear your feedback. If I set up a private group, do you want to have Telegram or do you want to have Discord? Let me know in the comments and I will make sure I set up the group. Then continue. USDT dominance. And for the people that don't know what it means, so when it goes up, it means there are more USDT in the market. So there is more people selling. And when it goes down, people are buying and converting the USDT for crypto, which means it goes down. So right now we can see a pattern where every time we take the yellow line here, it goes down. So it means people start buying again into the market. And every time when we are here, people start taking profits. And I can also add another chart here for people that thinks like, how does it mean? How does it work? And you can see it. So we came here at the yellow line, and this was exactly the top of Bitcoin. We came here, it was exactly the top of the total market cap. We came here, bam, we go up a dump, come here, and another dump. And here, when we touch the yellow line, it says, hey, this is a local bottom. So what I want to do, and this is a suggestion for myself, what I'm doing, is every time when the price or the chart charts this yellow line, I start taking profits. Why? Because it makes sense. The chance is higher that we do it again. And when we touch the yellow line, it makes sense to buy again into the market and then grab your positions. And of course, there will be a breakout. There will be a breakout if we do like here, testing it and maybe go back and then like this. Or it will be if we testing it here and then we break out to the downside, which is very positive for us, which means that a lot of people are buying more crypto. So there's less USDT into the market. So now the main question is, of course, when is altcoin season? Will it be next week, next month, and stuff like that? But before I tell you about when is altcoin season, I want to show you a bonus project. And this bonus project is Snorter token. And this token is currently not on the market yet. So we have early access to Snorter token. $2.8 million is raised and a target of 3.2 million. And you can buy it. You can buy already into the Snorter token. It is not a meme coin. It is a utility project which they're building in Solana sniper bot, which is is you can snipe tokens, you can trade tokens on Solana and in the future multi-chain. And $2.8 million is already raised. It's a nice amount to build this project, but there is more because these guys want to do it different. First of all, they have honeypot detection, fast, secure swaps, automated sniping. So when the project goes live, you can snipe it straight away, rug pull protection and copy trading. And they want to be the cheapest on the market. 0.85% fees, fast sniping, live new pairs, limit orders and stuff like that. So yeah, like it's really definitely worth to check it out, the project, do some research for yourself, check it out. Because how it works is if you invest into this pre-sale, you buy before it's on the market. Soon as the token goes live on the market, you will receive the tokens and then the token will be tradable. And the price here is 10 cents right now, and the launch price always be higher. So it's like 1.13 cents, 1.14 cents. So with that, you have 30% profit compared to the launch price. And the thing I like about this project is it's like memeable. So a lot of people like memes going right, but it is also a utility token at the same time. So check it out, guys, snorter token. And also let me know in the comments about the private community, Telegram or Discord. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.